Welcome back, everybody. If you're wondering what this is a project that we had to work on for harvest to fix that. I know that doesn't look right, but we had a little mishap during harvest, and the axle broke on this. So we've had to repair the axle and the tie rod, fix the bracket, put some new lumber on, and we're getting ready to put that back on the running gear. So stick around, see if we can get this done by myself. So like I said, what happened was this axle snapped right here, right at the wheel. So the tire came off, full load of corn. Got pretty lucky, it didn't all spill over, but that broke. This bracket broke and that piece of lumber broke. So everything's been fixed, and now it's time to try to get the gravity bed back on this running gear. So if you remember what I said before in one of my other videos, always lift with your back. Take your legs totally out of the equation. But I would lift this up with a skid loader and drop it, but I really don't want to break anything else. So I'm going to try to lift this up by hand and get it sent down gently so we can get the forks under it, see if we can pick it up. So now we gotta see if we can get the forks under it without breaking anything else. Get it lifted back up, see what we can do. Well, I forgot, when this broke a few weeks ago, I forgot to take this, cut this broken bolt out. So, I'll go do that next. I also forgot, when it broke, I cut it off the other end. I didn't even have to cut it. I shouldn't have done this by myself. Alright, well, we're close. We are close. Alright, nobody got killed, nobody got hurt. I think what I'm going to try to do now is line these holes up on this side, since this is the original, if I can. And then once I line those up, I can drill the other side new holes, and this wagon will be ready for harvest again. Getting closer. I bet this camera falls off. Told you. See if we can get one started in there. That side looks good. I think we're gonna try it. If I can get a bolt in this one, I think we'll be good to go. Let's get some bolts. Well, looks like we got a match. Now I can get all these lined up and get the holes drilled out of the other three. Line it up, tighten them up, this job will be done. This is a problem. I can't get the drill in here like I wanted. Well, you know what they say, measure once, cut twice. Or measure twice, cut once. So we need to try to find these holes. See if we can measure and find them and drill them out. Alright, I'm on my last one. The other two I hit pretty good, luckily. So they're in. That one's in. That one's in. And we'll do this last one. And then we'll have one field of beans left for harvest this year. And we're done. So I'll get this one done. And this wagon's ready to go. So thanks for watching. Thanks for checking me out. Make sure you hit that like and make sure you subscribe. And see what I'm going to have coming up this winter. And thanks for watching.